What's this snack?
Asin.
What is it?
Asin.
Asin. Hey, good job.
I hear the next.
What's pineapple?
Pia.
Oh, good job. So after that had happened here, then you still happy to stay? Ginawin as in magbabay na ikaw? Or bye-bye everyone. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back
To our channel.
Happy
Saturday.
No.
Friday.
Happy Sunday.
I know what's
Okay.
today. Sunday.
Yes. So it is currently 10 o'clock in the morning.
But definitely there's a boy just looking at me.
There's a boy just dito kami sa labas guys. Meron kasing boy na nasa fence.
Violet.
But the Paris is saying hi. Tingnan nyo guys. Come on.
What's the big
Let's go. Get your
I know I'm pretty good at
Yeah, you are. Tingnan nyo. So have a good day. Say have a good day, Paris.
Have a good day. Anyway, my name's Darcy.
Oh, his name is Darcy now. What do you say? What's your name?
Paris.
Paris. Say it's nice to meet you. Nakakita ng boyfriend sa Paris. Come on. We gotta go now. Daddy's waiting. So here's Daddy, guys. We are going for our morning walk.
I saw the boy in the fence.
What's his name, Paris? What's his name? Darcy. Yeah.
Shut them open. Shut
Good
them
morning,
open.
baby Jill. Kalami sa pahiyam. Pupunta kami ngayon sa... Where are we going, Daddy?
Willow.
He's again.
Willow and Balmoral.
Yeah, what are we doing there? What are we doing there, Daddy?
We're going to Willow.
What are we doing there? We're going.
Oh, we're going to go eat.
That one.
Say bye-bye. Say bye, Darcy.
Bye, Darcy.
See you later.
See you later.
Then you see things.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. Did you see
I reckon Darcy goes.
Darcy now?
I reckon Darcy goes to school.
See your friend now?
Hmm?
Is he your friend now? Wow. He's very nice. He said like, anyways, my name is Darcy when Paris was... when Paris started to leave. He said, anyways, my name is Darcy. That's so cool. You know, like, I've never seen a kid actually like, anyways, my name is Darcy. Paris, you might meet him again when you grow up. I think it's you, Daddy. Lini.
Okay, Paris. Paris. Oi! Don't smash the brakes on like that.
Morning. Good morning.
Just softly.
Good morning.
This little cut little flip.
Oh. Gentle, my love. When you hit the brake.
But I don't want to be.
You don't want to fall.
Just go slowly, Paris. If you go too fast and hit the brakes, you won't be able to control it.
Whoa, that's right. And you're gonna fall.
You have no teeth.
This is Paris's school. Maybe next year. This is a big school. Ate Paris is a big girl. Ayan, nakatilt ng kanyang upuan. Kasi, she's due for a nap. By the time we get there, tingnan yung mukha. By the time we get there, she'll be asleep. Which will give us time to eat our breakfast properly. Okay. Keep going. Be careful. Okay. Well done. See, walking distance lang to siya from our place. Hindi pa kami nakapunta sa cafe na yan. But Daddy Mike always pass by it pag pumupunta siya ng work. And he reckons it's good. So we'll try it out.
What? What do you want?
Waffle.
Wufu.
Waffle.
Waffle, I want waffle.
Yeah, finally nakarating kami dito, guys.
Waffle, waffle. Now.
Waffle, ice cream, and maple
Ito ang
syrup.
kanilang menu.
Waffle and ice cream.
Yeah, waffle and ice cream.
Ito ang pangalan ng cafe, guys. Willow.
I see, like,
Feeling sleepy.
And a baby tuna.
see.
Ito niya.
That's so,
Ala, what's this snack?
I see,
What is it?
I see.
Asin. Hey, good job.
I hear the next.
What's pineapple?
Pia.
Oh, good job. Kagabi pati siya tinuruan, guys. What's pineapple again?
A pia?
Pinya.
Yeah, but I'll grab a.
Good job.
You
Only drinks for now.
Yeah, we'll just wait. Yeah, sweet.
What did you order, Pat? Waffle.
Waffle, waffle.
The Benny, the mushroom gnocchi, the beef bolognese ragu, the pumpkin soup.
Choose whatever your heart is telling you. Yes, na? Good, so we can eat. Just in time, nakatulog ang ating baby Celine, guys. Oh, by the way, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kahapon, but naka-haircut pala ako kahapon, guys. Tingnan nyo.
You ask Tito when he comes, okay?
Medyo, ano na siya, short na siya, but it looks healthier. Diba? Ito na ang kanyang kulay, guys, kasi I washed it. Guys, in 2 weeks na nagpakulay ako. So, I washed it a few times na lumabas na yung ibang kulay. You wanna sit next to Mama and Daddy? Hindi makapag-decide ang ating daddy. This is the first time I heard you being indecisive.
Well, that's because I literally want to try like 4 of them.
Welcome back to the other ones. Dito kami sa loob nakaupo, guys, no? It's very warm. Tingnan nyo, oh.
Maybe-
Winter? Winter what? Winter who? I took my jacket off. It's warm inside. You decided, Ali? Alam niyo, guys, I will get the for kids. Sobrang liit ko lang kasi kumain, guys. Sasayangan ako ba? Kasi tulad nito, oh. That classic bacon eggs. It's $24. So pag sa kids lang, it's $10. Kids na lang ako, di ba? More than half price ba? Hindi ko pa maubos. Yes, ate? Go toilet? I'll ask where the toilet is, okay? What are you having, Paris? What's that?
Baby tuna.
Come closer, anak. Video. Like that.
Is it,
It's coming next week.
And
I'll tell you what day.
this hot chocolate and some. What are you having, Eddie?
Latte. Which is coming on
Did you
Friday.
like your cappuccino?
Is it good?
Yes, a little bit. So, Daddy, so
Yeah.
is this the main reason why we moved to Brisbane?
Definitely the weather and the water. A little bit slower. Yeah, the weather's like a major factor.
So kasi it lifts your mood kapag maganda yung
The weather, because it's warmer. You like the warm or the cold? You like windy? You like windy and cold?
I like
Windy and hot.
You can do more things kasi, guys, kapag maganda yung panahon, katulad today, di ba? Kaysa pag winter,
Yeah, you can do anything.
it's nice. Lamborghini.
It's gone. That's
Yeah.
Batman's
Yeah,
car.
you can do more stuff when the weather is better, you know what I mean? Like in Melbourne when it's raining,
You can go out, but you gotta go in the car.
Yeah, but it has to be indoors.
And you have to go indoors.
Yeah. So now, see, like we just walk here. The weather's nice, like good exercise. You can see a lot of people around. It's definitely a plus. Guys, you know, and but for me guys, kasi sumunod lang ako sa decision talaga ni Daddy Mike. Because Daddy Mike wants to come here for so long. And for me, parang it's, you know, it's fine for me. Hindi naman talaga sa I'm dying to come to Brisbane.
You have your family too.
Yeah, that's the reason. That, you know, that's one reason why napapayag ako ni Daddy Mike na mag-move dito. Kasi, you know, I have my family here, so it's good. And again, this weather is perfect, guys. My goodness. Sobrang ganda sa feeling na, you know, you wake up in the morning, tapos just wear like this. Kasi hindi mo na kailangang mag-layer-layer.
Yeah, and also thing like, the thing I love is like, yeah, in a couple of weeks, we can go on a holiday, but it's like an hour drive. And it feels like you're on an actual holiday. You know what I mean? Because we're going like to Noosa, or we can go to the Gold Coast. And yeah, you're an hour's drive from being on holiday.
So after that had happened here, then you still happy to stay?
What happened here?
Everything that happened, everyone knows. The car, the robbery,
Yeah,
the sickness, everything.
Yeah, that could happen anyway.
That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, no, it's never impacted on my decision at all. Like, that's circumstances. It's not place. That's circumstances. You know, I've been sick in Melbourne. I've been sick in Darwin. You know, I've never been robbed. Well, I've never had my car smashed. Actually, no, I've had my car smashed in Melbourne too. I had my car smashed in my car park in Melbourne. In Preston. So yeah, no, not at all. Like,
So do you reckon it's just a coincidence?
100%.
Do you believe in bad luck, Nari?
Yeah. I believe it was like bad luck too.
Yeah.
But again, I don't. I don't put any emphasis on the place. It's literally just is what it is.
A few moments later.
Time check, tita and tito. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Say hi. Hello everyone. Gising ito siya. Ang kanyang ate ay nakatulog, guys. So binigyan ng kanyang tatay ng massage. At ayan, every time na tinatouch yan siya, parang massage ng kanyang tatay with cream para sa kanyang dry skin. Nakakatulog yan siya palagi. So ngayon lang kami nakapag-vlog ulit, guys. After ng breakfast namin kanina, we went to the park that's close to the cafe. Tapos nagtagal kami doon, guys. Sobrang nag-enjoy ang mga kids doon maglaro kasi especially at Paris because she found new friends. Kaya ayun. Tapos naiwan ko ang aking phone. Ang aking camera ay nalobat yung battery niya, so hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Anyways, here you go. Sa bahay na kami ngayon, na maglilinis kami, guys. So, si Daddy Mike ay nag-start ng maglinis. Ayan. So, si mami niyo ay, uy, did you utot na? Did you utot? Pakita ko to sa inyo, oh. So, next to the cafe, meron siyang, ang tawag ito yung mga natural na shop. Alam niyo yung mga item nila, mga all naturals, ganun. So, may binili kami doon. Binili si Daddy Mike. First is this sea spray, natural waves. Ayan. Look like you've spent a day on the beach. Create loose curls and add texture to your hair. Hindi sa akin to, guys, kasi Daddy Mike bumili nito. But I can still use this. Why not? Next one is, magkano to na? This one is for $24.95. So, alam niyo naman guys, kapag natural, organic, yung mga ganun, most of the time, medyo may price sila. But, it's really good for your skin, for your hair, and etc. This one is for Baby Celine. Ayan. So, meron siyang pacifier. This one is natural rubber. Hindi siya plastic tulad dito. Kasi alam niyo naman guys, every time nawawala yung kanyang pacifier. So, alam ko merong mga ano tawag to yung parang ay anak. Parang ano tawag ito? Basta yung chain ba na ikakabit dito sa kanyang katawan para hindi mawala. But I don't know, hindi ako nakabili yan. Meron kasi akong mga nababasa rin guys online na it is prone to, parang ma-strangle ba ang leg ng bata. Kaya, hindi ako bumili nun. So, always siyang nawawala. This one, sit down here, be. You show tita and tito, be. There, yeah, that's yours. Here. So, nakabili kami nito. It's $24.95 din for 2. We'll move there, para makita ka. And then, what's next? So the next one is body serum. Okay, Daddy Mike to guys. An ultra hydrating botanical body oil formulated to help soothe and nourish your skin. Ay, iba rin. Para siyang, ano lang, oil ba para sa body. Mahal pa naman ito, $56. But I think this particular one is 30% off. Kaya binili siguro ni Daddy Mike. B, what's that one, nakba? What's this one? Oh, here. Oh, here. This one is Eye Illuminate Under Eye Repair Oil. Ba talaga si Daddy Mike? Oy, tingnan niya, $39.95. Next one is, what else nakba? Show mama. Oh, this soap. Ate Paris wanted it. Binili ni Daddy Mike. Ayan. Yung soap na kurting ano to siya? Ladybug. Ayan. Smells good. Ito yung brand niya guys. So, Dindy. Hindi naman kita. What's this one? Environmental toothbrush. This is for Ate Paris. Bamboo. Made of bamboo. Next one is... Oh, is this the one now? Oh, this is different one now. Renewal Serum. Hala, pampaganda man ang skin dito. Alam nyo guys, yan si Daddy Mike, sobrang maalaga yan talaga siya sa kanyang skin. Katulad ng kanyang mama. Kaya yung mama niya, kahit na 50-something years old na, walang kakulubot-kulubot sa mukha guys. Mahilig talaga silang mag-alaga sa kanilang skin. And also, they, most of the time, yung ginagamit nila is yung mga natural ba, na mga ingredients. Si certified organic. Ganun. Kaya yan. Oh, ito ang sa akin. Isa lang kay mami nyo. Natural Lip Balm. Vanilla Bean. Soothing, nourishing, plant-based. Who said you can have that one? Huh? Mama will get you another watermelon. Watermelon. Look, oh! This one is for $12 pero 30% off. Hang on, be. That's what it looks like. Ating lips, be. Para hindi siya dry ang lips. Oh, wow.
Hi guys. I can now.
What are we making, ate?
Popcorn.
Kakagising lang yan. So you just woke up.
I just woke up.
Nini?
Let's go sleep.
Yes. Tell Tito what we're doing ba?
Making popcorn.
So we're experiment.
Yeah. No, popcorn is experimental.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Celine, come this way, anak.
I don't think oh, hi.
Stop itching, baba.
My. Who's there?
Hi!
It looks like he wants to talk here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no. He doesn't want to come here.
Come here,
It's
look.
raining. It rained for 4 or 5
So yesterday,
days.
ginawa namin to guys.
And nights.
We did
I'm
not
talking
spray.
like.
Yeah, tell them we did it yesterday.
We did it
There's not
yesterday.
one bit of a
Yeah, did it work?
Yeah. You just put the thing inside that. You see the thing inside it? Put some oil and sugar. And then pop, like that.
So, kasi, nung nandito yung mama ni Daddy Mike, bumili siya nito.
Can I do
Ito
it?
yung popcorn, of course.
Can I drink the
Kaya lang, she forgot to buy the paper bag na ilagay sa, sa microwave para dun mag pop ba. Ngayon, nakita ko, just by, nag-scroll ako sa Facebook ba, na may nakita ako na, ganito daw yung pagluto ng popcorn sa stove.
the oil.
Baby Gil! Hi! Hi, what you doing? This way, this way!
You sort of forget about that, especially when,
Oil.
like as well, like just when we got the floods.
So yung gagawin lang, uy!
That was like the
Can
summer.
I do dripping with that?
It's mixed.
Just wait a minute.
Rainy days, but then you get like sun.
So you just need, kikita ba dyan guys?
Mom!
Nini girl!
It's okay, Mom.
So ito lang yung kailangan guys, mag-lights tayo. Pan. Mute a little bit na ba sa tita and tito Fancy. Siguro marami sa inyong may alam nito guys. Wait,
I can't see.
I was super happy kasi first time namin ginawa kahapon pero hindi kami nag-vlog, diba? So, ngayon namin gagawin ulit.
I just woke up from my sleep. From my first sleep.
Sleepy Beauty. Honey girl, where are you going? Come on, this way.
Got the popcorn.
So, yung ilalagay guys dito sa pan ay itong foil. Nini!
Can I peel off?
Yes. Hi! Nating babysitin kita niya bagay tanda no. Malapit sa pasta. So, dito, kita pa niyo. Nak, baby, hold the camera, nak, baby. Like that, nako. Ay, I'll just get. Tingnan mo. Nak, babysilin, asa na? Hi! 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 Where are you going? Rini! What do you think you're doing, huh? What do you think you're doing? Nye, come on, let's make popcorn ba? Come on. Shh. Careful, look what you're doing. So, yung foil lang. Oh. Keep going. Oh. Nag-fog ang ating camera.
A little more.
Just keep going. Hold on. Kasexy ay sa nag-imo. Popcorn. Okay, yeah, that's enough. So, ayan na.
So we can make those ones tomorrow.
Next time, yes. Ngayon, sa nailagay na yung corn, ay...
And
Yeah, put the oil.
salt is asin.
Salt is asin, correct. Okay, put the oil. Careful. We put oil already. Tingnan nyo. Lagyan lang ng butter.
Okay, help me push it.
Yep. Mama will just do it.
Like, can we do one more? Me.
Just a little more. Okay. You do it. Like this.
Like that.
Like this. Huh? Okay. Daghan ni gawas. Hold it. Camera.
My face on here. Just on the middle side. Or the big hole.
Good job. You're doing a great job. Okay. After nyan guys, ay ika-cover na siya nito. This. Vinegar. What did you put in your mouth, babe? Cover. To make sure cover kasi magpapapap yan siya.
How do I put our faces?
Here you go. Hello! Hello! Ayan. So, hintayin lang natin, guys. Popping!
We're making popcorn. It's too noisy.
Hala. Hala, it came out from the thing. We didn't cover it properly. Have a look.
And that's okay. Well, while we hold this pan and just something around.
Popcorn!
Like, that looks like noodles. My
I
one.
don't know what if it will make a difference, guys. Kasi yesterday, kailangan kasi makover yun siya ng foil na yan. Didn't see. But that looks good to me. What do you think?
Well, why about we just tip the
What do you
pan?
think? Does that look good to you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Why don't we just hold the pan then and dip all the popcorn? Maybe that will be a great idea.
Mm-hmm.
Will that be a great idea?
Woo! So, diba, nilagyan ng butter and then salt. So, yeah. Butter popcorn. Buttered popcorn. What do you think, Lainey? What do you think of the popcorn? Love you, anak. Yeah, guys. Oh, iba talaga kapag walang sakit, guys. Diba? Hmm? Buhay na buhay ang mata.
That's a lot.
Our baby Celine is now having her dinner. Ito yung niluto ko sa kanya. Minced pork with peas and corn and then some steamed zucchini. Oh, Pinay na Pinay. Rice pa rin. Good girl. I'm so happy, guys, that she is better now. Kasi makikita mo talaga, guys, oh, kumakain siya. Nung meron siyang dinaramdam, nako. Pero at least dumidede siya noon, guys. Pero yung mga pagkain na ganito, hindi niya bet. Yummy. Napakain ko na kasi, sleepy na to eh. Matutulog na to very soon. Nakawash na ang atong baby. Uy! Ayan na. Nakabat na. Hindi pa nagbat. Guys, dito ko na lang sa sink. Nak, no! Wash lang, nak, no? Wash. Just to make sure there's no dust. And you clean. Yes, ang ipon, baya. Ang ipon, baya. Nagbuwag. Nagbuwag. Nagbuwag ang ipon?
The 3-point shot used to be like a novelty thing.
Look at yourself. Is that you? Is that my Nini? Palangga ka sa iyang mama. Love you, Linle. Love you, Linle. Hmm? What did you say? What did you say? You said ta. Hmm? Ta. Sabi, mama. Ay, close. Open na lang, babe. Open, shut, them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Boom! 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 Ang bibihisan na to siya kay giginawin. Asan, bababay na ikaw? Or, bye-bye everyone! I'm going to bed! I'm going to bed! Alam niyo ba guys, thank you Lord talaga guys. Uy, okay na ang kanyang pagkaramdam ba. So it's the last 2 weeks and a half. My goodness. Okay. Time check. It's time. What's the time?
10 o'clock.
10. 10:16.
No, it's 10 o'clock.
I know, it's 10:16. So, kakatapos lang nitong mag-shower kasama yung tatay niya. Then, bedtime, yeah? Daddy, I think you have to put it on your thing, Daddy.
What?
You put it on your fingertip. Not straight
Why?
to your skin. Ala. Ang ating daddy ma kasi nga kakatapos lang mag-shower ano
I
siya
can't wear your skin.
skincare.
They have to drip it in your...
Ang nagdidiretso sa
You
kanyang skin.
just get in your arm.
Yeah.
Just get it.
Where's the cream, Dada?
Cream.
Did you take it? Paris' cream.
No.
What's it? Oh, here. Alright. So, mamassage natin ang ating baby Paris. Ate Paris. Yung kanyang cream. Ito yung gamit. Binilhan na talaga namin siya ng isang tub. Diba yung tube yung binibili namin? Realize na kailangan niya talaga nito. Think like, sobrang dami nang nagamit. Oh, half na. Ayan. Gusto ko rin gamitin to sa sarili ko, guys. It's very, talaga. Pang moisturize talaga ba?
You gotta put some on my face.
Minsan lang ako
Cream. Cream.
moisturize. Yeah, really bad.
Hmm?
Especially nung hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ni Baby Celine. Sobrang dry ng skin ko. Kasi hindi ko na rin naaalagaan ba.
Mom, that's my lady box soap.
It's there. So ngayon kasi i-moisturize natin yung skin ni Ate Paris. Tsaka na rin ako nakakapaglagay sa sarili ko. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
You can't put your face.
Just like that.
That's good.
Come na, Ate Bay. Hey, we'll put the cream. Now, did you put it all over your face? Isn't it for under eye only?
No, she said it's serum, so she said you can put it like all on your T-strip.
Where?
All on your cheekbone and your...
Have a look at Daddy Mike.
Because your face.
There?
Yeah, you only have to put this.
Looks good.
But you have to...
So where's Shelby?
You have to
Yeah,
drip.
butt naked. See? Shout out to Biome. Sponsor me. Give me free stuff.
Butt naked. Ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina.
Spray.
Yeah,
What's that
this
for?
you put this on.
For your body?
All over body hydration.
Ladybug. Can I get my ladybug? Yeah.
Let me finish this.
You.
Tapos matutulog na to kasi very sleepy na to siya.
I wash the hair. I wash the hair.
That's good. I-try ko pang linisan yung isang kwarto guys kasi ang kalat. Kasi yung mata ng mami nyo ay parang maano na rin.
What are you talking about me?
Huh?
What are you talking about me?
You? Yourself. Dapat na miss daddy like that. Alright. Good job. So try a little bit, tapos magtulog na to siya, guys.
Hello.
Ito ang buhok ni mami niyo, oh. Ayan.
Ayan.
Ano na siya? Shorter na. Pero hindi kaano. Mahaba pa rin siya. Medyo buhag-hag lang siya tingnan kasi naka-curl to siya kanina eh, tapos nag-straight na siya ngayon. Yeah. I'm going to end the vlog now, guys. Thank you very much for watching today's Paris, have a look at your face. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one.
Don't forget, careful, bye.
Is it? Don't forget. Don't forget to be good.
What kind of car they drive?
Don't forget to say bye.
Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Careful, bye.
bye.
Boy.
And you can get Paris toys and Paris toys and the other toys. Our balloons, our squishies.
Are you telling people they can get you toys?